Hi everyone, this is OG CV Coach here. I want to say thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for coming in our channel. Now, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit the subscription button and also hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I come online. My name is OG. I'm a CV coach, also a career coach, personal performance development coach, and an entrepreneur. I'm into helping people get their desired dreams, get to their goals, and achieve what they want in life. I want to say thank you so much for joining me here today. Now, in this subject today, I'm going to be talking to you about 6 ways to make passive income with no money. You're surprised. I'll repeat that again. 6 ways to make passive income with no money. You don't need money for this. All you need, I'll let you know. So now, if you want to know more, you can go on my website, www.cvcoach2016.co.uk. I've written a book on passive income, or you go in the description below, in the description box in this video, and you'll see all the links to the books that I've written. So you can go there, just download a copy for yourself and use it for yourself. And if you have any question, give me a call. One other thing that I want to tell you is this. We've talked about books, we've talked about blogging, we've talked about online store. The next thing I want you to look at is this: write and sell music. Write and sell music. Can you pick a tune, bet a chorus, or even synthesize music? Well, then you might be surprised at just how easy it is to start selling it online. You can sign up and begin selling music on Amazon, or TuneCore in just a few minutes. You see, other platforms are a little tricky to get started on though, but iTunes, for example, does not allow just anybody to publish their music with them, but there are a few companies that can help you out. You might want to take moments to think about how you are going to market it though, because you see, one thing about music is this: you can write the music, you can write it out, you can produce it, but if you don't know how you're going to market it, it'll just be like an item in a store that nobody is seeing. So you have to really think ahead of how you're going to market it and find a way that you can tell people how you're going to sell out the song. But in my video, I'm just going to focus on how to write and sell music. I'm not a musician, by the way, but I've got somebody who's going to be online with me to tell you about writing music and selling music. Music, you could use like SoundCloud, to bring your music forward, or even YouTube. If you go on YouTube, you're going to see lots of musicians. You'll be thinking, I can sing like this, I can sing even better, or I can learn from them. But you put your song in there and you find out that someone is going to listen to the music, and in the description button, direct them to where they can get the album, where they can get it, where they can buy it. And you can even set things up there to say, well, if you're needed for social events, somebody can come in. So in other words, by the time you've written your music, you can now move some of the information about your music to your blog, and then find a way to get people in so that when they come in, they get involved in what you're doing. So that's important for you to put on there. So we've looked at writing a book, then we looked at writing a blog. Now the third one is what we are looking at: how to write and sell music. These are 6 ways you can make money online without putting in so much money. In fact, you might not even need any money at all. But the reason why you might need to put in some money is to make sure that you are known out there. YouTube is free to sign up. And if you go on Google, it can give you a space to blog. And if you want to write your book, you can print it on KDP, like I told you. They'll collect some money from you, but they'll let you allow self-publishing. So you have a right to the book just as much as they do. And they can help you put the books on different platforms. So we'll be getting to that, where I'm going to tell you how you can go through each of these 6 passive income without really putting in so much. Because sometimes what makes people give up is when they find out that they can't really get to where they want to get to. It's like it's taking a long time for them to achieve what they want to achieve. So let's go now to the next one: designing products. So this is the 4th one: designing products. Now, if you're handy with some graphic software, then you're going to be able to design a lot of products. Now, but the good thing about it is this: You don't have to be handy with some classic software anymore. You don't even have to go to any school to learn how to design, because if you go in some websites, they've already done everything for you. All you have to do is go in there and then begin to put in. It's just like copying and pasting, websites like Placeit, Spreadsheets, Cafe Press. Some of these websites, what they do is that you go in there, design your t-shirt, bring it out, press it, and it's all yours. And then you can sell it. If you want to design your card, you go in there and design your card. So the fifth one that we've spoken about today, we've spoken about writing a book, writing a blog, we've spoken about music, writing and publishing music. Then the fourth one is what? Designing products. Designing products. So we've spoken about designing products. So now you could design products. But the thing about it is that you've got so many stores online, so many online websites that you can go, design your product, make your t-shirts, make your teacups, make your cards, key rings, just anything that you want. You can do it online. Now, the last one that I want to talk about is YouTube. There is no one now who has not heard about YouTube, because you're watching this video on YouTube or somebody would have shared it with you. Now, YouTube is the last source of income on this list. Because you see, everybody knows about YouTube. You need to make sure that you produce the videos that you want, make it entertaining, make it informative, be charming, show people how to do something, share a piece of art. So in other words, everything that we've said so far, like writing a book, starting a blog, starting an online store, writing a music, write or sell a music, designing a product, and then YouTube. YouTube is like the full thing that you can display everything on. Maybe you're thinking, what do I really need to bring in on board? You could start a blog and then you could become a vlogger. So instead of you writing now, you're giving out the videos. So as I'm doing this lecture now, I can decide to say, okay, this is what I'm going to do. So as I'm talking now, I bring it online. Or if you're a writer, you could go online and begin to teach people how to write books, what they need to do. Now, if you've not subscribed to our channel, this is CV Coach 216. I want to say thank you so much for coming in, but please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button up there, and if you've not subscribed, hit this here, So the reason is because in case or anytime I come in or bring in a new video, you can always come in. Now, if you're not a member of our committee, we call ourselves the CV Coach Squad, and you want to be a member, you can come in where I have private time with you. Just send you a link. You come in, we'll meet privately, and there are videos that I'll do online and leave on my page just for my members. So only members can see it. So if you're a member, you can go in there, watch the video, because then I can give you more insight about the things that I've taught today. That's the benefit of being a member. So don't forget about it. 6 ways you can make money online without putting in so much money, or without putting in any money at all. Number 1, write a book. Number 2, start a blog. Number 3, write and sell music online. Number 4, start an online store. Number 5, design a product. And then last of all is YouTube. I hope to see you in my next video, and I want to say thank you so much for coming in to join us here. This is OG. I'm a personal performance development coach, a career coach, an entrepreneur, and I help people achieve their dream. And I hope that I've been able to help you achieve your dream. Now, don't forget, like I said before, like a disclaimer, this is not an exhaustive list. There is so much more ways to make money online than just the 6 I've given here. I want to say thank you so much once again for joining me online. And God bless you. And don't forget, be the best of you wherever you go. Take care and bye for now.